Oracle exist not exist operator. In this tutorial, we will try to know how to use exist operator and how to use a not exist operator. So this is SQL developer. Here we just want to give an example by using exist operator. And here, firstly, I just want to give you an example. Uh, uh, this is the query snippet. This is employee table, and inside the in operator, we just use distinct manager ID from employees. If we execute this, here possible manager IDs are returned. So firstly, I just want to give you a, a description of total manager list. Here we can see total 18 manager. So using in operator, we are using this. I just want to give you an example and the exist operator. In the previous query snippet, we return 18 in manager ID, and here I just want to use exist operator to return possible 18 manager. So this can happen by using row by row comparison with inner exist operator subquery. Employee ID is outer. So first I just want to give you an idea about the employee table description. So execute this query snippet. Here we can see employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, address, job ID, salary, commission percentage, manager ID, and department ID. So here manager ID. So I just want to see how many manager or who are the manager from this employee table by using exist operator. So here I just use here exist operator. Inside the exist operator, I use a query snippet, inner query snippet or subquery that is related with outer employee ID and manager ID. So from this query snippet, we can use we will get 18 manager by using this query snippet. Accordingly, um, we will have a chance to get manager ID from our previous query snippet, and this one help you very easily to trace the possible managers. Here we can see the total 18 manager. So this is exist operator example. Now, now I just want to explain how to use not exist operator in our query snippet. Here is the example. Here we just want to return possible departments. Those are not associated with employee tables department ID. So here after where clause, we just use here not exist operator, and inside the query snippet we compare department ID and outer department ID and employees department ID, which are not associated with employee ID. So if I execute this query snippet, uh, the possible department ID, those are not associated with employee table. So if I execute this is department ID and department name. This department and department ID, those are not associated with employees table. So I just want to verify this query snippet working properly or not. This is same query snippet that we use in operator. So the same query snippet, those are not associated with employees table inside the in operator. And I just want to select possible departments, those are associated with employees table. So if I execute this query snippet, here department. So if I execute this query snippet, we will have a chance without any departments, without any employees, because there is no employees associated with this employee table. Here is the result that we expect from not exist operator. So in this way, we can use exist and not exist operator in our query snippet. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video.